When you are planning to install a playground equipment requiring ground anchoring, there are important things to consider. The Canadian and American standards for public outdoor playgrounds require that there be a clearance area around such equipment and that the play surface surrounding the equipment provide cushioning to absorb shock in case of a fall. Canadian standards prescribe a clearance around the product of 1.8 meter in metric measurements or 70.87 inches in imperial measurements. American standards are very similar to Canadian standards, requiring a clearance of 72 inches in imperial or 1.83 meters in metric. Now let's talk about anchoring the product to the ground. Your Jambet spring rider is delivered to you as you can see. Here you have the equipment's anchoring system. Actually, note that the base plate may have a different shape than the one shown in the video. This is the part of the product that you won't see once installation is done. The finished crown will then be at about this level. But keep in mind that in playground design, the underground comes typically in two superposed layers. The bottom layer, which is natural soil drainage material, topped with a cushioning layer, which can be, depending on the case, bulk wood fiber, synthetic material, or loose sand. So this is the very part that will have to be anchored in the bottom layer of the ground mentioned earlier, while this part will be embedded in the cushioning material. As you can see, this whole anchoring system is what makes the spring rider safe to use. It stabilizes the product and keeps it firmly anchored to the ground. Anchor rods supplied with the product must be driven through the anchor plate to increase stability. So let's proceed with the installation. With this product, a geotextile membrane is used to prevent the two layers from contaminating each other. So it must be cut up and then placed back. The purpose of this demonstration is to provide you with the basics to install this type of Jambet product. But the setup shown in this video may vary depending on some parameters, such as the type of cushioning material that you will use, the proximity of other playground equipment, and the type of equipment itself, whether it swivels, rocks, or sways. Please follow the instructions provided with your new product, and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or concerns. There you go, the installation is now complete. We hope that your installation will go smoothly.